Learn English to Gujarati opinion phrases, from my point of view to.
મારા દૃષ્ટિકોણથી.
Welcome, brave opinion machine. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati phrases for opinions, honesty, summaries, and strong refusal. And yes, you can absolutely sound wise, polite, and a little dramatic at the same time. Welcome to today's mini language adventure. Imagine you are in a lively family discussion, a cafe debate, or a meeting where everyone suddenly becomes an expert on everything. Your secret superpower is not shouting louder. It is using the right phrase at the right moment. Today you will practice.
મારા દૃષ્ટિકોણથી.
For, from my point of view.
મારા મત મુજબ.
For, in my opinion.
પ્રમાણિકપણે કહું તો.
For, honestly.
સામાન્ય રીતે.
For, in general.
સિદ્ધાંતમાં.
For, in principle.
મૂળરૂપે.
For, basically.
કોઈપણ રીતે.
For, in any case, and.
કોઈપણ સંજોગોમાં નહીં.
For, under no circumstances. Ready? Good. Your imaginary debate trophy is already polished. The Great Snack Debate. Let's learn with a scene you can actually hear in your head. You are at a snack club meeting, which is definitely a serious institution. At the International Committee for Very Important Snacks, the room is tense. Someone has suggested serving plain boiled vegetables at the annual party. The crowd gasps. A spoon drops dramatically. Somewhere, a samosa sheds a tear. You stand up and clear your throat. Quote.
મારા દૃષ્ટિકોણથી.
This plan is too sad. Your friend nods and adds.
મારા મત મુજબ.
People deserve better snacks. Then the honest one in the group leans in and says.
પ્રમાણિકપણે કહું તો.
If there are no spicy snacks, I may leave emotionally. The chairperson tries to stay calm. Quote.
સામાન્ય રીતે.
Parties are more successful when guests are smiling and chewing. A very serious student with glasses pushes them up and says.
સિદ્ધાંતમાં.
Boiled vegetables could work. Everyone stares. Another member rescues the room.
મૂળરૂપે.
We want tasty food, not a punishment. Finally, the treasurer bangs the table and announces, budget is small, weather is hot, and the cook is late.
કોઈપણ રીતે.
We will serve something delicious. Then grandma enters like the final boss of wisdom and says, dry salad at a celebration?
કોઈપણ સંજોગોમાં નહીં.
Quote. The meeting ends in applause and chutney. Phrase power-ups. Now let's slow down and make each phrase stick. Think of this as vocabulary with extra flavor. From my point of view, is.
મારા દૃષ્ટિકોણથી.
Use it when you want to sound thoughtful, like you are presenting your perspective, not attacking anyone. Example.
મારા દૃષ્ટિકોણથી.
This movie was too long. In my opinion, is.
મારા મત મુજબ.
This is direct, useful, and polite. Example.
મારા મત મુજબ.
Her idea is better. Honestly, is.
પ્રમાણિકપણે કહું તો.
Use it when the truth is arriving with no fancy wrapping paper. Example.
પ્રમાણિકપણે કહું તો.
I need coffee and silence. In general, is.
સામાન્ય રીતે.
This is for broad statements, not every tiny exception. Example.
સામાન્ય રીતે.
People like clear instructions. In principle, is.
સિદ્ધાંતમાં.
This means something works in theory, even if real life is busy setting things on fire. Example.
સિદ્ધાંતમાં.
This should work. Basically, is.
મૂળરૂપે.
This is your shortcut when someone gave a 5-minute explanation and you want the one-line summary. Example.
મૂળરૂપે.
Nothing changed. In any case, is.
કોઈપણ રીતે.
Use it when you continue despite the mess. Example.
કોઈપણ રીતે.
We should leave now. Under no circumstances, is.
કોઈપણ સંજોગોમાં નહીં.
This is strong, serious, and very useful for dangerous ideas and terrible plans. Example.
કોઈપણ સંજોગોમાં નહીં.
Touch that wire. Mini dialogue practice. Listen to these tiny scenes and repeat the Gujarati phrase out loud. Yes, even if your cat looks concerned. A. What do you think about the plan? B.
મારા દૃષ્ટિકોણથી.
We should wait. A. Which option is better? B.
મારા મત મુજબ.
The first one is better. A. Tell me the truth. B.
પ્રમાણિકપણે કહું તો.
I forgot the homework. A. What is the overall trend? B.
સામાન્ય રીતે.
People prefer simple solutions. A. Will this machine work? B.
સિદ્ધાંતમાં.
Yes. In reality, let us pray. A. Can you summarize the meeting? B.
મૂળરૂપે.
Everyone talked and nobody brought snacks. A. It is raining, the bus is late, and my umbrella is broken. B.
કોઈપણ રીતે.
We are going. A. Should I send this angry message at midnight? B.
કોઈપણ સંજોગોમાં નહીં.
Memory tricks with a wink. You do not need magic to remember vocabulary. But a ridiculous mental image helps, and that is close enough. Picture giant glasses floating over a city for.
મારા દૃષ્ટિકોણથી.
The glasses mean viewpoint. 4.
મારા મત મુજબ.
Imagine a parrot at a meeting saying, in my opinion, before every cracker request. 4.
પ્રમાણિકપણે કહું તો.
Imagine someone putting a hand on their heart before confessing they ate the last cookie. 4.
સામાન્ય રીતે.
Imagine a teacher with a giant chart labeled, overall. 4.
સિદ્ધાંતમાં.
See a professor saying, in theory, this is simple, while the machine behind him is producing smoke. 4.
મૂળરૂપે.
Imagine a huge eraser removing all details from a board until only one simple line remains. 4.
કોઈપણ રીતે.
Picture 3 roads, 2 bicycles, 1 camel, and somehow all signs still point forward. 4.
કોઈપણ સંજોગોમાં નહીં.
Imagine the biggest red stop sign in the universe. Maybe it is wearing sunglasses. It is still a stop sign. Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a fast check. You know more than you think, and if not, we shall blame the imaginary parrot. How do you say, from my point of view?
મારા દૃષ્ટિકોણથી.
How do you say, in my opinion?
મારા મત મુજબ.
How do you say, honestly?
પ્રમાણિકપણે કહું તો.
How do you say, in general?
સામાન્ય રીતે.
How do you say, in principle?
સિદ્ધાંતમાં.
How do you say, basically?
મૂળરૂપે.
How do you say, in any case?
કોઈપણ રીતે.
How do you say, under no circumstances?
કોઈપણ સંજોગોમાં નહીં.
Your challenge today. Now it is your turn to use the phrases like a real speaker, not just a professional listener. Make 8 short sentences about your life. 1 with.
મારા દૃષ્ટિકોણથી.
1 with.
મારા મત મુજબ.
1 with.
પ્રમાણિકપણે કહું તો.
1 with.
સામાન્ય રીતે.
1 with.
સિદ્ધાંતમાં.
1 with.
મૂળરૂપે.
1 with.
કોઈપણ રીતે.
And 1 dramatic warning with.
કોઈપણ સંજોગોમાં નહીં.
Example.
પ્રમાણિકપણે કહું તો.
I learn better with snacks. That sentence is linguistically useful and emotionally correct. Friendly goodbye. You did great today. Really, even the snack committee is proud of you. Thank you for learning with me today. You practiced how to share opinions, summarize ideas, speak honestly, continue despite problems, and refuse a bad idea with style. Keep repeating these Gujarati phrases out loud.
મારા દૃષ્ટિકોણથી. મારા મત મુજબ. પ્રમાણિકપણે કહું તો. સામાન્ય રીતે, સિદ્ધાંતમાં, મૂળરૂપે, કોઈપણ રીતે,
and.
કોઈપણ સંજોગોમાં નહીં.
Practice a little every day, use them in your own sentences, and come back whenever you want another fun round. See you next time, and happy Gujarati practice.